Hi everybody, my name's Stephanie. Welcome back to our DIY Sports. So today we're going to be making some rackets that we can use with some balloons. So one of the ways that you might like to play with the balloon is to set up a net just with some string. You can just put some string across, and you might like to just hit the balloon across the net just like you might do with, say, a volleyball game. But we're going to also show you how you can make a racket today to use so it's a bit more like a tennis game. And all we're going to need is some string for our net. We have some plain twine here, or you might like to use some wool if you have some wool at home. We've also got our colourful, stretchy shoelace type material, so maybe something like that you can use. Anything that you have is totally fine. We also, of course, need a balloon. Let's see, we're going to have a green balloon, just like a green tennis ball. And you need a paper plate, and you also need a stick. So I've just gone outside and found myself a nice stick to use. You might like to find one yourself when you're out exercising and going for a walk. Just need one that's long enough to stick to the plate and big enough for you to hold onto. All right, so all we need to do is stick our stick onto the back of our plate. So we're going to turn our plate over, sit our stick on the back here, and we've got some tape here. We're just going to get ourselves a bit of tape and put this tape over the top here, and I think I need one more bit. Let's see. Get that tape off there and stick that over a bit lower on there, spread it out, and let's see. I reckon that's going to make a pretty good racket. And of course we also need to blow up our balloon to have as our ball. Let's give this a big blow. Ready? Bit more. What do you think? A little bit bigger. There we go. I think that's pretty good. And we need to tie this up. You might need to get some help from mum or dad with tying your balloon. That's fine. Oh, it is a bit tricky. Let me see if I can get this. Oh, oh, this one's not going to be easy. If you're very clever, you might be able to tie the balloon yourself, but I find it a very tricky thing to do. Oh, there we go. Oh, I nearly had it. All right, one more try. I can get this. I can get it. Oh, there we go. Left-handed's easier. That's the way to do it. We got it. There we are. Got your balloon tied up nice and tight. Like I said, you might need a bit of help with that. It's a bit of a tricky one, but we've got that there ready to go now. So let's set up our playing area. Make sure you're in a nice clear space so you're very careful if you're swinging things around or hitting balloons around that you're not going to knock anything over. We're going to set up our playing area and play ourselves some sport. Okay, so you can see we've set up our net now. We've just put a couple of chairs out and then stuck our string, one to each end of the chairs. And this is our net, so let's play some tennis. Ready? Okay everyone, another option that you might like to try with your balloon sports is, as you can see, getting some string, sticking it right up to the roof, and then tying or sticking the string onto your balloon at the other end, and we can play a bit of totem tennis. Ready? Thing you might like to try with your balloon and your racket is using some string to stick one end to the balloon and the other end to the racket, and then seeing how many times you can hit your balloon with your racket. Ready? Let's see. Okay. Thanks so much for joining us, everyone. I hope you have a lot of fun playing your balloon sports at home. Don't forget, send us a video. We'd love to see you guys trying out your different sports, different balloon sports, maybe using your tennis rackets. Or if you want to send us, maybe you want to decorate your rackets and make it beautiful. We'd love to see some photos of how you guys have created your different sports. Maybe you can even come up with something a bit different. Maybe you can come up with your own sport that you can play with a balloon or with your racket, or just something completely different. Whatever it is, we would love to see it. So please send us in some photos or some videos. That would be wonderful. All right, guys, thank you so much. I hope you have a great time. Have fun. Bye.